Welcome back, my wonderful freedom fighters and lovers of freedom all over the whole world. You guys are amazingly awesome. Those who are watching from a distance, I say God bless you all. And my returning subscribers, you guys are may the peace of the Lord, may the love of the Lord shine upon you. May whatever righteous you do, may it prosper. Elon Musk, all the Canadian truck drivers, and all the good citizens of Canada, you guys are sweetly awesome. Let me tell you, what you're seeing here is, I can't even understand it. And remember, if there is no truck driver, there is no food at Walmart, at HEB, at any grocery store. So the truck drivers, they hold the key. That is why they are revolting against vaccine mandate and vaccine passport. My dear, my health should be my choice to determine what gets inside me and what don't get inside me. Our government shouldn't be doing what they are doing. They should allow the people to make the choice. That is why the Canadian truck drivers and the good citizens of Canada are revolting against this vaccine mandate. I want you to watch and tell me what you think. It will extend to other countries. So
thousands of truckers assembled in Vancouver this weekend to protest. They formed a freedom convoy. Their destination, the Canadian capital of Ottawa.
We want two things. We want to get rid of the vaccine mandates and the passports.
Right now, there's 50,000 truckers and about 1.4 million people headed to the Parliament in Ottawa, and they're going to stay there until Trudeau resigns or they give us back all of our freedoms and rights.
You also have to look at the livelihood of people, and that's what they're not doing.
We've been living in this country for so long, and we have certain rights or freedoms that our veterans fought for, and one man is taking it away.
The small fringe minority of people who are on their way to Ottawa or who are holding unacceptable views that they're expressing do not represent the views of Canadians who have been there for each other, who know that following the science and stepping up to protect each other is the best way to continue to ensure our freedoms, our rights, our values as a country.
I would love to have our freedoms back. I would love for everybody else to have their freedoms back. Because you know what? Vax, unvax, I don't care. But you can't take away your freedoms. It's not right.
When people get fired from their job after 10 years of driving a truck because they can't do it to cross the border, there's an issue.
I was a nurse for decades. I left nursing a while ago. I believe in vaccinations. I'm not an anti-vaxxer, but enough is enough.
We need our country back.
We need our lives back.
Canada's standing together, and everybody is fighting for their freedom.
Thank you for watching. If the video interests you, please share.